How to add a GitHub repository in Visual Studio Code. Want to add a GitHub repository to a Visual Studio Code? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure you have Git installed on your computer. You can download it from gitscm.com. Once Git is installed, open Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, install the GitHub pull requests and issues extension from the extensions view for better integration with GitHub. Now, you need to clone your GitHub repository, so go to GitHub and navigate to the repository you want to add. Click on the green code button and copy the HTTPS URL. In Visual Studio Code, open the terminal by going to View, then Terminal, or pressing Ctrl plus backtick. In the terminal, type the following command, replacing your repo URL with the copied URL. So write git clone, then your repo URL. Press enter and Git will clone the repository to your local machine. After cloning, you'll need to open the cloned repository in Visual Studio Code, and you can do this by going to File, Open Folder, and then selecting the folder of your cloned repository. Once open, you should see your files and folders in the Explorer view on the left side. You can now edit, add, or commit changes to your repository directly from Visual Studio Code. To sync your changes back to GitHub, you can use the source control feature in Visual Studio Code. Click on the source control icon in the activity bar on the side, and here you can stage your changes, write commit messages, and push your commits to GitHub. And that's it. You've successfully added a GitHub repository in Visual Studio Code. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.